Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is for Shimmerz paints, and what I am going to be doing is in collaboration with doing Virginia Walker's 20 days of like cut files and stuff. So the prompt for today is wreath, and so I have got this cut file and I cut it out on Vicki Boutin's mixed media paper because I am going to color this to match up with what I'm doing here. So this is like what my background's going to be. And then here are my photos. Crazy husband and myself, and then another photo of myself. That is what I'm doing. So this is a poinsettia. I'm going to color this silver. So the colors I have is Evergreen, Shimmerz, Buddy's favorite color, and then Silver Fox. So let's go ahead and watch the magic go to life with this color. Okay, so I am taking the three colors that I mentioned in the very beginning, and I'm going to color it on my mat. Now, I ended up getting a brand new mat that, while I love the Tim Holtz glass mat that I have, I just, like, I don't know, I like this better. So I got this mat, and it's from Nuvo. It's my Nuvo net mat that I had. I think I had it when I was at the old house, but I'm not for sure. But this is a layout for Shimmerz paints. So just remember that if you purchase anything at all, use my name in the comments, and then you'll get a freebie of any sort. And they always make sure that it's a new one every time that you purchase, and I absolutely love that. So obviously I'll link the shop down below along with all of the colors that I'm using, which is Silver Fox, Buddy's favorite color, and then Evergreen, which, by the way, I have to get some of this get the two new ones, because let me tell you, or more, because I'm almost out. I mean, I used it quite a bit last year. These colors really match really well to everything that you use. It's just, I just love how the Shimmerz shimmer, and this is going to be the major focal point of my layout. Now, obviously, I'm kind of showing you the progression. Like, I know I don't show all of it throughout this whole thing, but I kind of like show some, and then I skip ahead and show some more and skip ahead. This one actually went really quickly because I wanted just this to like pop off the page. I didn't back the cut file or anything. I just wanted it completely painted, and you know, just have my photos sticking there and kind of some embellishments, but not a lot. I absolutely love the color when it's done. Now, I do have some still shots at the end, obviously, and as you can see here, it goes on really well. You can water these down too. I didn't water it down at this time because I really wanted it to be thick, like really thick on there. But you could water it down to spread it a little bit further. So then I took the back paper of my collection, and it is still the Vicki Boutin collection. I finally got some of the papers in from Black Friday. And I ordered them a lot from a cherry on top is where I was able to find most of, you know, the replacements that I've already used. And I wanted it to stick out. Now, I know for a fact that some people are going to be like, why do you want to see your adhesive? It actually is like it's like my doodling. I do doodle at the end, but it kind of like squared it in. So I really pushed it so that you could see it. And this time around, most of the time I don't. Most of the time I try to stay to where you can't see it. However, I actually like it on this page. I'm not sure why. I just do. I think it just adds something to it. Without me even trying. Now I am just gluing down the cut file and making it all look nice and pretty and all of that fun stuff. Make sure that you go and check out everybody's channel that's linked down below. This is like a collaboration of a bunch of different things. I love doing design team layouts when we've got different collabs going on, because I love to be able to push me out of my comfort zone, which this one really isn't out of my comfort zone. I just made it very distinct this time around. And I love the stars. I love the poinsettia on this wreath, and it works out wonderful. Now, I am going through, and now the rest of this layout is just going to be me embellishing. I love this deer. I think this deer is cute, and it fits just sitting there nicely. It's like he's just peeking out and looking. And then I do have my title is right there. And then I did put the photos of my husband and of me inside the frames, and then cut down the photos from there. The one thing that I do love about Shimmerz paints is a couple of things. One, they do everything by water. Now, the thing is that a lot of times play around with your mixed media. This time I did not water it down, and that's fine. You could also water it down and make it more of a shimmery pastel color, and that is fine as well. I just love how this part of it turned out, because it was just a simple little layout that I wanted to do with a huge pop to it. And I feel that this cut file made it with those colors, just popped right off that page. And the colors just match too. Like, this Vicky Bouton collection is very Christmassy, very correct layout, very correct color tones. And these three just fit the bullet. Now, I do also know that some people don't like to mix gold and silver, and I am one of them. But here it matches really well. I'm a stickler. It's either silver or gold, or neither. But this time I mixed it because the paper that I have on the back is gold as well, and it works. So here I come in and I just do the doodling line again. The still shots are coming up. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel, and check out the collaboration down below. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.